Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is SGM Creations and Tutorials. Here is my new project. This is a fashion earring. Look at this. This fashion earring is made from the bottle caps of the shower gel bottle, empty bottles. This is the shower gel. Look at these empty bottles of a shower gel. From these bottle caps here, I take out the top portion here, the bottle caps or the cover of this empty bottle shower gel. This is Einer shower gel from a product of Spain. This is a very aromatic or fragrance shower gel made in Spain. So this is the transformation of the bottle caps. I just cut out the top cover of the bottle and decorated with a crystal lace. Look at this. And fixed it with artificial flower. I choose the purple because it will match the color of the black and crystal lace. And attached with 2 rings and a hook. This is a very simple, very easy project. So if you want to learn how to create different projects, how to recycle plastic bottles and transform into fashion jewelry, just click my playlist, BEADWORKS Tutorials. Click the playlist on my channel, BEADWORKS Tutorials, and you can find easy tutorials of all my projects on how to create fashion accessories made from plastic bottles. So if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Please like, comment, and share this video, and subscribe and click the notification bell so that you will be updated with all my videos. Thank you for watching, and thanks for all your support, and see you again in my next tutorial. Just watch my live tutorial on how I created these fashion accessories made from the shower gel. This is the shower gel, the bottle caps from this shower gel, and this is now the transformation. So I hope you get an idea on how to recycle plastic cups of the empty bottles, and this is now the transformation of fashion earrings from the bottle caps of the shower gel. So this is all for today, and thank you for watching, and please give a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment, and share this video. Let us recycle our waste in order to minimize our garbage and help keep our environment clean and safe, and save the Mother Earth from pollution. Let us stay a healthy living. So let us keep our environment clean always and dispose our waste properly. This is Best Out from Waste fashion jewelry made from waste plastic bottle caps of shower gel. Dankeschön, auf Wiedersehen, maraming salamat.